This discusses what I've listed as learning objective 21.2, graphically displaying the superposition of two waves. Now, I'm going to produce a couple of examples and upload them onto D2L, basically using graphs so that you can see, hopefully any place here that's unclear, I can make it a couple of very explicit examples. Here, again, it's a straightforward, to say it is straightforward. To do it with some practice, if you try and do this without practice, then you've got whatever's coming to you. But with a little bit of practice, this should be okay. Suppose I've got two waves that will be moving through the same space. Again, the examples that I post, I'll give you more precise numbers so that you can see where these are. And if I could get a whiteboard that had gridded lines on it, that'd be really cool. I would do that thing, but we don't. So, let's say that I've got these two waves moving such that, let's call this t equals 0, t equals 1, and t equals 2. So, I've got the blue wave, and now we're simply tracking the blue wave through space, providing a snapshot graph at different times, as we did in chapter 20. We'd be good to go. It would look like that. Now, let's say that I've got these waves actually, I'm going to go back, might as well have these overlap in more than one instance. Okay. Now, for the first case, to find out, what does that wave, what does that displacement over time look like at t equals 0? That's easy. Because each wave is separate, then, who cares? In the second case, where the two waves are not overlapping, then the displacement is just equal to one individual wave, so who cares? And so here, let's see. I'd say at these points I just pick places like, okay. Now here, over that range, they roughly cancel out. When I post more detailed cases, hopefully it'll see, that is how that is. Now, in this interval, this one increases as this one increases, so it still stays a bit below zero, so it's still, the height of the green displacement is less than the height of the blue displacement. And here, it's shifted by this height all the way down until the blue wave is no longer interacting with it. So the combined wave will look something like that. In the same way down here, I have no overlap. And in this case, the three will be working like so. So this would be the overlap of these two waves. Again, I shall post examples. Please let me know if you would like more of how these work.